Hello everyone, my name is Sri Harsha and I am from Andhra Pradesh. My hair fall actually started when I'm in college, like fourth year. Since then, I tried different medicines, like I used minoxidil for almost 2 years. The problem with minoxidil is we have to use that continuously. We can't stop that. I didn't feel that it is a permanent solution. Then I researched for a better and permanent solution. Then I came to know about the hair transplantation. I researched many clinics and many places, and I came to know about Hairfree Hairgrow providing better results to all of his patients. Initially I did my all the research in Google. I saw many Google reviews, everyone having a positive results and also the positive review about the Hairfree. And then later I came to know about my relative. He had done the same hair transplant surgery in this clinic. So then I decided to go with the Hairfree and Hairgrow. The clinic is very neat and good, and the ambience and the staff are very polite. There are three main reasons actually. The first one is reviews that I saw in the Google, and second one is I saw the results of your patients in the Hairfree Hairgrow gallery. So everyone has a very natural hairline, the natural hair growth. It doesn't look like a transplanted hair. So that was one of the reasons. And next one is my relative also had the hair transplant and he gave positive feedback. So that is why I chose Hairfree Hairgrow. So hello, this is me after the surgery. So yesterday I had surgery. I reached the clinic by 9:30 and then sir told me all the procedure details. The procedure started. They gave the anesthesia. It is a little bit pain that can be manageable, and after that I never felt any pain and the procedure went smooth. After the extraction I had a lunch break. The lunch they provided was very good. My father liked it very much. After the lunch, implantation has started and it went on for 3 to 4 hours. So overall it is a very smooth and good experience. I really like the hospitality of all the people in the clinic, staff, the doctors, everyone were very friendly. I have very positive experience with this clinic and highly recommend to everyone who wants to have the hair transplantation here. Thank you.